uncovering emotions. The meaning of bottle up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bottle up. It's a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both speaking and comprehending the language more naturally. So, let's get started. The phrase, bottle up, is an idiomatic expression. It means to suppress or conceal emotions, feelings, or reactions instead of expressing them openly. Imagine putting your emotions into a bottle and sealing them tight. That's exactly the visual this phrase intends to create. It's important to understand that this phrase is usually used in the context of emotions and feelings, not physical objects. To get a clearer idea, let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. 1. John has been bottling up his frustration about work, and he never talks about it. 2. After her pet passed away, she bottled up her sadness and appeared unaffected. 3. It's not healthy to bottle up anger. It's better to talk about what's bothering you. These examples show how bottle up can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing the act of suppressing emotions. Bottling up emotions might seem like an easy solution, but it can lead to stress, anxiety, or even health problems. It's generally healthier to find safe and constructive ways to express your feelings. Understanding this phrase can also help you empathize with others who might be struggling with their emotions. That's a wrap on bottle up. Remember, while it's a common phrase in English, it's also a reminder of the importance of expressing our emotions in a healthy way. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to express yourself.